We begin this Tuesday night with developing news in the years-long battle to expand Tweed-New Haven Airport along the shoreline. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Dennis House.
And hi, everyone. I'm Erin Connolly. It gives a controversial runway expansion project the green light, and that could give air travelers a lot more options, but not everyone is happy about it, that's for sure. Channel 3's Roger Suzanne joins us now live outside the airport with all of the details. Roger.
Well, you know, Erin and Dennis, the runway here at Tweed has really been the epicenter of a long legal battle that could determine this airport's future. And today, a U.S. Court of Appeals determined that for better or worse, this ruling could be a game changer for travelers and neighbors as this expansion gets the green light. Now, for years, New Haven's Mayor Tony Harp and airport leaders have wanted to expand this runway from 5,600 feet to 7,200 feet, which would allow bigger planes and more flights. But neighbors and some state legislators have been fighting tooth and nail against that proposal, claiming it would increase traffic and noise levels in the area. Now, this debate has actually been swirling on and off for nearly 5 decades. There was even a state law passed in 2009 to prevent any runway expansion here. But today, the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruled state law cannot supersede the Federal Aviation Act, which regulates airports. So what does this mean for the future? Well, the state could appeal the decision all the way to the Supreme Court, but Tweed leaders hope that does not happen. They point out nearly $15 million has been earmarked for the project that will go towards easing traffic and noise levels for neighbors, and they have already said they want to add at least 3 new flight locations quickly. One of the destinations will be in Florida, likely Orlando, and Mayor Harp says other possibilities include Chicago and Washington, D.C. She calls today's decision a game changer that could open up a whole new world of possibilities.
We hope today's ruling signals the first step on a path toward improved air service to an estimated 1 million airline passengers in this market.
Now, we mentioned, though, that not everyone is pleased about today's decision. Senate President Martin Looney, who represents New Haven, writes, "I am urging Governor Lamont and Attorney General Tong to appeal the ruling by the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals to the U.S. Supreme Court regarding Tweed-New Haven Airport. The strong residential neighborhoods around Tweed must be protected from any damaging impact caused by the potential overruling of state law." Now, right now, the architects of this project have declined to give any kind of timeline for when they will break ground on this runway expansion. Now, we did reach out to Attorney General William Tong. He has not gotten back to us, but tonight at 6 o'clock, we'll let you hear from Governor Ned Lamont about what he thinks about this controversial runway expansion. Reporting live outside Tweed-New Haven Airport, I'm Roger Suzanne, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.